I do have to apologize for the shaking of the camera. But it's not a GoPro, just was cell phone. And I'm holding it in my hand, so I will try actually getting a GoPro and also a holder so you can put it on the side of my head. But I'm on my way with my big wheel bike here. Oh, that's not it yet. But then again, I'll try that way. It's that way I want to try. Oh, can you see that on the camera? Oh, branch. Ow. It is freaking small down here. I don't even know where the fuck I've got to go. Oh, is it that way? Oh God, I hope it is. Oh Jesus, ow. These freaking roots down here. Oh, you're kidding me. On the camera it looks all fine and clear, but it really is not. Oh, because the camera's only halfway down my body. Oh, and it's steep as hell. You tell that right there. Ooh. There we go. It is this way. I was right the first time. Oh, Brent. Oh. There's a water. There's some water over there. We'll be seeing in a minute. Jesus. Oh. Awesome. Oh, here we go. Here it's starting to get wet. Real wet. Oh, branches. No, not branches, freaking tree stumps. There we go. That's more like it. Jesus. It's really wet here. Oh, fuck. Jesus, wet. This is muddy and wet and stinky and boggy. But I made it. I fucking made it. Jesus Christ. Whee! Ditched my bike to go all the way here to the water. And now the cool thing is I'm on an island-ish type of thing. If you look that way, there's a naked dude there somewhere, right there. This is awesome. I'll be ending it here.